Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken Ziploc bag. First, carefully examine the bag to understand the nature of the damage. Is it a small puncture, a larger tear, or perhaps a faulty zipper seal? Assessing the damage helps you choose the most effective repair method. Always make sure the bag is completely clean and dry before you begin any mending. This ensures, for minor tears or small holes, a simple and effective solution is clear packing tape. Cut a piece of tape that extends at least 1/2 inch beyond the tear on all sides. Apply it smoothly to the outside of the bag, then repeat on the inside for extra strength. Press down firmly for about 10 seconds to create a strong, airtight seal, preventing any leaks. It's time to cook. Carefully place your paper cup directly over a low to medium heat source, such as a stove burner or hot coals. The key here is gentle, continuous stirring. Use your utensil to scramble the egg, ensuring it cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the paper. In about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see the egg begin to solidify. Continue cooking until it reaches your preferred doneness, whether soft or firm. Sometimes, a bag is simply beyond repair. In such cases, you can still use it with bag clips, rubber bands, or even by folding the top over. To prevent future damage, always store sharp items like forks or knives in separate containers. Also, avoid overfilling your bags. Leaving about 1 inch of space at the top reduces stress on the seams and zipper, extending their lifespan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.